If the words artificial intelligence make you want to close this video, stay with me for 60 seconds because I promise you this is not what you think it is. And by the end of this video, you're going to wonder why nobody showed you this sooner. I want to start by saying something that I don't think gets said enough in this industry. You are not behind. You are not broken. And you are absolutely not too old or too set in your ways to figure this out. Here's what I know about you. You've already adapted more times than you probably realize. You went from paper appointment books to booking apps, from cash only to tap and pay, from word of mouth to Instagram, and from watching techniques on VHS tapes, remember those, to YouTube tutorials on your phone. Every single one of those shifts felt overwhelming at first, and every single time you figured it out. This is just the next one, and I'm going to tell you something that might surprise you. This one is actually easier than the ones before it, because the tool I'm about to show you was built for creative people, not tech people, not engineers, people like you who are too busy doing the real work to spend hours on the stuff that drains you. My name is Christian Faircloth. I've spent more than 30 years in the beauty industry as a stylist, salon owner, educator, and brand leader. I've worked with thousands of beauty professionals, launched products, built education programs, and made more than my share of mistakes along the way. What I've learned is that the people who succeed aren't always the most talented. They're the ones willing to adapt. That's why I created this channel, SalonTeez, to help beauty professionals navigate what's changing and turn it into something they can actually use. Because I've lived it personally, and I've spent 30 years making sure I never got caught standing still. Here's what most people get wrong about AI. They think it's complicated. They think it's for tech companies and software engineers. They think it's going to replace them or take over their lives, according to the news. But none of that is true. Here's what AI actually is for you right now. In your world, it's the thing that writes the caption when you're staring at your phone at 10 p.m. with a great photo, but absolutely nothing to say about it. It's the thing that handles the part of the job that drains your creative energy so you have more of that energy for the chair. That's it. That's the whole thing. And I'm going to show you exactly what that looks like right now. Grab your phone, and if you're on it, go to your Instagram. Find the last photo you posted. Got it? Great. Now I want you to watch what happens when I take a photo just like that and drop it into a free AI tool called Claude. Here's the prompt I'm going to use. I'm a hairstylist. Here's a photo of a balayage I just finished. Write me 5 different Instagram captions for this photo. Make one educational, one personal, one promotional, one conversational, and one that uses a question to gain higher engagement. That's it. That's the whole prompt. Now watch what happens when I hit enter. That's literally in about 90 seconds. One photo. Now you have content for 5 different posts. 5, all with completely different energy, all in your voice, and all ready to go. No more staring at the screen. No more posting a fire photo with just a flame emoji because you couldn't think of anything to say. No more skipping posting because you didn't have time to write something clever. 90 seconds. That's it. Now, here's the thing I want you to understand about what just happened. You didn't become a tech person. You didn't learn to code. You didn't do anything that required a degree or a manual or a 2-day training. You just got your Tuesday back. And here's what I want you to sit with for a minute. If AI can do that for one caption, imagine what it can do for your booking process, your client follow-ups, your staff training, your entire content calendar. And that, my friends, that's what we're going to explore together on this channel. One practical tool at a time. No overwhelming tech stuff, no coding, no jargon. Just real things you can use in the real world of your real business. That's why SalonTeez exists. Practical tools, real conversations, modern skills built for where this industry is actually going. No hype, no fear, no fluff. Here's what I want you to do right now. Try that prompt today. Now, I've actually put it in the description below so you can easily copy and paste it into Claude or ChatGPT. Seriously, take your last Instagram photo, open Claude or ChatGPT on your phone. It's absolutely free. Then drop a comment below and tell me what caption it gave you. I read every single one, and I will respond. Be sure to also grab the free Beauty Barber Pros Starter Guide to AI. 5 tools, plain language, no tech background required. It gives you a few ideas and a starting point to take you to the next level. And if this sounds like a channel you need, then subscribe to the channel because we have so much more to cover. I genuinely believe the best days for beauty professionals, the ones willing to learn just one new thing at a time, are still ahead of us. I'll see you in the next one.